So this strip is picking up right where the last one left off. I got the tractor up and I'm putting this new belt on it. You actually have to feed it around the steering wheel and down the steering shaft unless you want to tear a bunch of stuff off underneath. And this does work for anybody who read about it and didn't try it. So yesterday after I got the tractor running, I came up and hauled everything up here, got some concrete and poured this footing for the last part of the foundation that needs to be done. I bolted this plate on the top of the concrete wall here, and I framed up the wall that goes on top of it. I haven't tried carrying that yet. It's going to be really close to my maximum carrying ability, I can tell you that now. It actually stays when I let go of it. Nobody breathe. Sometimes it works out. Framing is so rewarding because it looks like you did a whole lot all at once. There are a number of logistic problems, but the kind of things that happen when you don't actually have a plan and you just make up the building in your head as you go along. Like this spot, I actually had to cut away part of that big valance on the backside so that that 2x4 would fit there. All of you real construction people are probably still marveling at my forms. I would be marveling at them more myself if my concrete was coming out perfect, but I don't know if anybody's concrete comes out perfect. I've done less siding, but there it is, concrete. It actually came out pretty good. This is that thick black tarry foundation seal, and I'm actually delighted it goes on pretty good. This brush is going to be a one-time use thing, I'll tell you that. There's no way this is going to get cleaned up. And the bristles have been falling out for a long time, so but this will discourage the water from entering this wall anyway. So that last bit of concrete came out pretty good. I'm just glad to have it done. That is just exhausting work. This is a wrap up. I'm packing up. There's rain coming tomorrow. And I got that wall about 2/3 framed and partially sheeted. Got that wall sheeted up on the top. And the big, going in through the front door here, the big accomplishment really was getting that foundation across that part of the west side, and then the foundation finished here in the block up there. That's all poured full of concrete, so I'm really ready to frame that. If I had one more day, I could frame this whole corner all the way back into here, but I don't, so that'll be next time.